Okay, I'm down in the workshop, my small little workshop. I got to clean it up. I'm about to probably start making a second mantle. I wasn't pleased with the first one, so I'm gonna try to throw together another one. Um, I did do some shopping yesterday. I went out. I went to this store called Restore in Stratford, Connecticut. It's kind of like I don't know, a Goodwill of construction stuff and like used couches and used dining room tables. And, everyone donates stuff to it and then they mark it up and sell it. While I was there, I did find a deal. Even though this place 10 years ago when it opened or whenever it opened, it was great. I was always finding deals there. I got a lot of things. But now you go there, their prices are, might as well just go to Home Depot on half of this stuff, okay? But they do have some deals. Boom, $1 a pound. Even though when I got to the register, lady tried to hit me with $2 for it. $1 a pound. So this box cost me $1. It's Tremont cut nails, old-fashioned cut nails. This is the oldest nail company in America, and I use them for like decorative pieces or it's just awesome nails to get a hold of. And I think they go for like $8 to like $12 a box, something like that. They're still around, you can still get them, but they're a lot more expensive than $1 a box. So this was a big find, good win. One time I always look for those nails. I don't think they sell them everywhere. So one time a friend of my wife and myself passed away, and he was into construction, and I went down his basement. It was like Home Depot, and I picked up about 7 of these boxes, and his wife gave them to me, and they're great nails. But as you see the price on here, and this box is probably from the 70s, $1.25. So I definitely made out. Look at that little cut nail. That's made in America, and definitely winning. I really like these. And even a funnier story, if you ever watch my videos, what I always say, what's the odds? Because it always happens to me. It always happens to me. I went to Restore, I walked in, we looked around for about 5 minutes, I spotted those nails. I was like, oh wow, let me see. Oh, they got 12 boxes. That's crazy. And I was like, well, I'm gonna walk around for 10 minutes. I don't want to carry 12 boxes of nails. So we took off, walked around 12 minutes. My wife's like, we'll carry them, just grab them before someone takes them. I said, what's the odds? They've probably been sitting there all week. No one touched them. No one wants those nails but me. So I come back around, only 5 boxes remaining. So I had to hear it from Jen all day. Told you, you should have. But it is what it is. At least I got some. It was a good find. All right, I gotta go ahead and start cleaning up this workshop. It is a mess. I don't have room to do anything. I have so much stored in here right now, and it's just a complete mess. I definitely, on my future, I'm gonna have to make a workshop up in Vermont. I'm thinking a big shed workshop area. I need to get some room to store some of this stuff, and maybe even move these cabinets up there into the workshop. I just need more room. And or maybe one day I'll talk the wife into moving into a place that has a big 2-car garage. That would make a good wood shop. But until then, I'm here, stuck here in my very small 1-car garage, and I make it work.
This was my second attempt to make my mantle. I'm still not happy with it. I may go ahead and try it a third time. If you're interested in learning how to do this, let me know, and I may put together a video. That's the end of the episode, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you have not done so already. You can click the notification bell and give me a thumbs up as well. Thanks again for watching. Take care. God bless.